Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. I come on here and I love to review luxury skincare with you guys because if I don't do it, who the heck is going to? If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. You'll learn all about my favorite beauty tricks, all about my favorite skincare, and I keep it 100 on this channel 24/7. I'm coming to you in one of my Versace t-shirt and Gucci lips. I mean, does it get any more fab than this? Guys, today's video is going to be the Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Cream right here. Just to let you guys know, I am going to link this down below so you can shop if you like what you see. But the big question is, do I like what I see? What do I think of this product? I've been using it for quite some time now, and I've been using it as a mostly daytime moisturizer, sometimes at night, and I use about this much of the product, so I think we're due for a review. The reason why I purchased this cream was because I did the black tea serum back in the day. I think I even have it even has its own video on my channel, and I really liked it. It worked really well, and then when I saw they were really like promoting this, I was like, you know what? I'm due for a good face cream, like a daytime, good mid-level luxury cream. Like, let's see if I like it as much as the serum. So where do I start? Okay, I don't even know how to put this into words, but and I may sound pretentious, but you know what it is when it comes to skincare for me. I just noticed the quality of my skin has gone down when I started using this. My face isn't as even. It's definitely a little broken out. I see redness, just stuff that I didn't have before this cream. And I wanna know something? I'm used to that when it comes to these products. And it's like people say like, oh, like luxury skincare is for snobs. It's not real. Like you could get cheaper products to do the same thing to your skin. And honestly, you guys, it's just not the same reaction as I've had in the past. Like it's just night and day. Going from a La Mer cream to an Ochoa cream and then down to this cream, I've just noticed a decrease in quality of my skin. However, that's not to say that this isn't luxury. I mean, this is $95, okay? For $95, you get 1.6 fluid ounces. That to me is mid-level luxury because I think that is somewhat still affordable for a good face cream. And for 1.6 fluid ounces, that's a lot of product. So just throwing that out there, this by no means is cheap. It's just, I don't know how to explain it. So let me just open it. The packaging is heavy, it's nice. The glass looks frosted. This brand is very hit or miss for me. Their marketing is so juicy and delicious looking all the time that I'm always like inclined to buy their products, but I'm just not, I don't know, it's just not hitting the same, you know? So it's a lightweight anti-aging cream with proven retinol-like performance of BT Matrix for 7 times smoother wrinkles, 5 times visibly firmer skin, and 4 times more radiance. So that's what I've noticed a lot in skincare, like current skincare, is they're trying to get ingredients that are retinol-like, not actually retinol. And I love that because it's like a lot of people are sensitive to retinol and I really don't like irritating my face that much. So especially now that it's like getting warmer. So let's get this on. I'm going to use the spatula and I will apply it for you. So the cream is like a nice creamy like beige color, and it's not like a stiff cream. Like you can easily mix it, like easily take it out. I have this little spatula from La Mer. It's nice, and then I'll just put it on the back of my hand here. It looks very hydrating. It feels very hydrating. It's not greasy, it's not sticky, it's not heavy. It's a really nice, comfortable cream. That I will say. I love to just apply this product, and sometimes I have a habit of like overusing the product just because it is so comfortable on my skin and it just glides so easy that I really do enjoy applying this, and I do feel moisturized when it's done. So people that, oh, and I love how easy it is to move over my face because I love to just take it all down my neck, like super easy. For the people that don't like heavy creams, and they really just want like a nice moisturizer, like just a basic. I personally think it's basic. I'm sorry if I offend anybody. I just think it's a nice little cream. Okay, like I'm not gonna sit here and gloat about it. $95, I would have liked to see more of like, I just would have expected more quality. I think the Drunk Elephant moisturizers are also pretty expensive, and I think I would prefer those over this. So if you guys are kind of in the market going back and forth from like Drunk Elephant moisturizer to like this type of moisturizer, I think it's the Proteini, the one with the green cap, and then the whipped one in the purple cap. I actually enjoyed those moisturizers more than I've enjoyed this. I'm not going to return it because I already used some of it. Visibly reduces deep set wrinkles. I haven't noticed that. For smooth, firm, radiant skin. I think it's made my skin radiant, but it's not like, I don't know, it's just not, I don't know, like I feel like I can get much nicer radiance for the price. I just do. So it's, key ingredients are their BT matrix with retinol-like strengths that correct signs of aging. The ceramide NP helps strengthen the skin barrier. Well, that's good. We always want our skin to be like very strong, very resilient to, you know, outside and etc. Squalene helps prevent moisture loss. Of course, for a good daytime moisturizer, that's what I'm always looking for. I want something that's gonna lock in that moisture, protect my skin, make me super hydrated. I don't wanna put anything like harsh on my skin during the day because of course, my skin has a lot to deal with during the day. So Pink Porcelain Lily improves radiance. I think if you want to try it, I say go for it. Like if you have just like dry skin and you're looking for something that's gonna kind of boost you up. I mean, for the price, I think it's okay, but I would also try Drunk Elephant's moisturizers before you commit to $95 for this one, because this is pretty expensive, I feel, for what it delivers. And that's just my opinion. Do I think it's a bad moisturizer? No, I definitely don't think it's the best moisturizer for the price, but I also think some people can really enjoy it. It's just not for me. I just feel like even the moisture qualities in it like have kind of like, I kind of have some blockage on my forehead here where I haven't had that in months. So I'm gonna finish it, but I also have to make sure that I'm using really high quality serums to kind of make up for this cream's lackluster. I know, I sound brutal today. I sound brutal, but it's just honest. I'm just kind of at that point. I wish I could have come out here and done something more like exciting for you guys and not such like a downer, but this is really all over Ulta. And I really just want to get this info out here, and that's just how I feel about this product. Fresh is always hit or miss for me, so that's just how it is. But you guys, I hope you like this very honest, very straightforward video. If you haven't done so already, definitely subscribe. I always strive to give you guys like the best, most straightforward and honest videos as I possibly can, especially when it comes to skincare, because $95 is not cheap for a moisturizer. So it's gotta be something special, in my opinion, at that price point. Okay, you guys, I love you. I will catch you in the next video, and I will link this down below just in case if you're interested in trying it out. You could shop it down below. I love you guys. Bye.